This program is used to read the room dimensions, that is length, breadth and height, and then calculate volume of the room and surface area of the room to be whitewashed. Normally, room dimensions may not be necessarily integer type. Thus, we have declared the variables L, B, H as float type. And also we have declared variables V and SA to store the volume and surface area as float type. The user interface statement printf is written to ask the user to enter room length, breadth and height. Then the scanf statement is used to read the data from the user. As we are supposed to read 3 real numbers, we have included the format string as 3%f, and whatever user enters we would like to store in the variables L, B, H. Thus, their addresses &L, &B, &H given. Volume is calculated as V is equal to L into B into H. Surface area is calculated with the help of this statement. However, remember, I did not consider the floor area as I cannot whitewash the floor. With the help of this printf statement, the calculated values of the volume and surface area will be printed, each one in one line. We assume that the user has entered the room dimensions as 10, 8, 9. Thus, the volume and surface area as calculated and printed as 720 and 404. For proper functioning of any program, data input sequence is very important. In this example, we assume that the user enters the data in the sequence as advised by the printf statement, that is length, breadth and height. Find out which quantity is going to get affected if the user enters data in a different way. Volume or surface area? Surface area. Thus, if the user enters the data in a different order, surface area gets disturbed. Volume is a simple product of all the 3 variables. Thus, whatever way user enters, the results will be same. However, it is not true with all the situations. For example, with the surface area. Thus, we have to be very cautious while giving the input. The user enters the data in a different fashion and claims your program is not working, you cannot spare him. Just to guide him only, we have written the user interface line printf. The users are supposed to follow the guidelines and enter the data in that fashion. To take care of this type of users, probably with this program, we can make the user interface little more attractive. That is, it will ask user first to enter length and then it will read into L. Again it will ask the breadth and that will be read into the variable B, and then it will ask the height and it will be read into the variable H. That way we can make user interface little more interactive. In the process, the code will be increasing. However, user may be comfortable. But here also, still the user is mad fellow. We cannot help. So for any proper functioning of a program, data input sequence is very important. When we ask enter length, if he enters height, when we ask enter height, if he enters breadth, What can we do with such a type of users? We can do nothing with these users. So we have to, either I say the users are supposed to follow the user interface lines and work according to them. So that is expected from the normal users.